Okay, so today's update is I got the fuel tank in. I had been waiting on this plastic cover protector that goes under the tank. That was one of the back order items. And so I moved ahead to the pedal box installation and skipped over the fuel tank. But now fuel tank is in. The instructions for this part were really good. I went with the in-tank fuel pump. A lot of guys go with the external pump, but I'm fine with the intake pump. So the pump's in there, fuel sending unit, and the vent. So next thing to do is put in the fuel filter and bracket and then the hard lines. But I'm probably gonna put the engine in first before I put the hard lines in, just so that I have everything where I want it and clearance is good and all that. And so probably what I'll do next, roll it off the lift, get the engine in, which is ready to go over here. So that's it for now.